Leila Davis, and I am a teacher that teaches special needs students at Kennedy Learning Center. I am also the micro business manager of our one-stop resale shop here at our school. Our one-stop resale shop was created so that our students could get life skills and work skills and raise funds for programs in our building. We have accepted a lot of donations from the community who have been actively involved in our program, and our students, our parents, and our staff. We try to keep our prices low in our store so that our students can afford the items that we sell. The teachers and students will be rotating schedules to run our store so that it may stay open and available to our district, our students, and our community.